Hi, it's Lynn with Soft Squares. Today we're going to unbox the Sew Sampler. This box is by Fat Quarter Shop. Here is their website. Typically these boxes are back ordered as far as getting on the wait, I guess I should say they're on a wait list, but I was able to get right on last week and got my first box. So this is the June box, but it's mid-July, but I know they've had some issues with getting their merchandise in, so they're a little behind. I'm really excited I didn't have to wait, and that maybe tells me that my July box might be coming really soon. That would be so exciting. Alright, so first thing is, now I already peeked in the box, but this is what's on the very top of it when you open it. Look at the color scheme. Isn't this pretty? And then they have some coupons in here, which I'm not going to show you the coupon, but I'm going to show you the things that you can get with the coupons. It says free Pink on So Clean brush set. Looks like to help with your cleaning your machine out. That's with a $15 purchase. There's 20% off laundry basket collection there of fabric. There's also 30% off for a book called Pillow Talk. So fatquartershop.com is where you go to sign up and where you would be able to redeem those. Okay, now in the box comes with this really cute stiletto, flamingo stiletto. They call it the flamingo toes. Do you see that? Isn't that cute? Because he's on his toes, and you're going to use those toes. It's good for turning, detail work, pressing seams, or marking fabric. He is 6.5 inches tall. He's going to be easy to find when you need him because he kind of jumps out at you. And then we have these heat-resistant thimbles, which I'm excited for because I'm always trying to iron little tiny things, and the iron is dang hot. So these are going to be great. They're silicone protected fingertips from hot surfaces. They're called the Gypsy Quilter, and 3 different sizes. So that will be awesome. Next thing in here is a really pretty, delicate needle threader. This is what you can use for hand sewing and trying to thread that in that little tiny hole on the needle when you're hand sewing. So for bindings or any hand sewing project, this is so pretty. So pretty. Not like anything else I've seen. Alright, the box also comes with a pattern called Unraveled. This makes a good size quilt at 46 by 46, so nice little lap quilt. It has really nice, clean instructions with pictures. And this quilt pattern, I was hoping it would tell me who it's by. I think it's actually Quilt Shop's pattern. Or Fat Quarter Shop's pattern. Regardless, it's part of the box, and it's really cool. It comes with it. Okay, now we're also going to get, I'm missing something here, a block of the month. Now this is block 3, but this is my first block. I have yet to do a sampler quilt. I've also just started this subscription, and I'm not sure how I feel about sampler quilts. I personally don't care for the mixed up different types of blocks, but I'm going to hold on to this and put it to my other areas with my other stuff that are similar, and when I get around to thinking I want to try it, I'll have it. If not, I have at least a technique for a really cool new block that I can incorporate into a new quilt someday. So I'm sure that will surface soon. Okay, the next thing, here we go. This is our little card that tells us everything that's in the box and the retail value of it. This box, I'm going off the top of my head again, I just signed up last week. I think it's $1 to sign up, or 99 cents to sign up just to get, initially to get in. And then it's $24.95 plus the cost of shipping. So that's all that you're paying for the box. And the retail value of the items in the box are the Seamstress charm packs. There's 2 charm packs in here, which we're going to go through in just a minute, but there's 2 of them at $42 each. And the 2 of them together retail for $9.96. The flamingo stiletto turning tool. Can you tell I don't have my glasses on? That one is retailing at $6.98. The heat resistant thimbles are $4.48. The needle threader is $4.48. The pattern is $9.98. And the Quilt Along block of the month actually has a retail value also of $4.98. And that is by Sherry with its a Quilting Life. You may or may not recognize her. She also designs Moda fabric, and I happen to have this sitting right here by me. She's on there with her daughter. I think it's her daughter. And so anyway, they're Moda, but that's a different box, not part of this box. I just was kind of surprised to see that she's all over the place. She has a website too. So anyway, Sherry designed this block of the month, and that block is in here. So now let's look at the fabric. Now I'm not going to go through every single one, because that can take a while, and I don't have a good surface today, but I do want you to see the gist of it, and I want you to see how pretty the color palette is. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? It's just soft colors. Yeah, I need a little bit different system. Still working on that. But we have their vintage inspired fabrics, and I'll be honest, I wasn't sure if I was going to like this box, and I was kind of dreading it after I ordered it when I realized what it was. But not anymore. I am so excited. I love this. This is like a modern twist on some old styles. And I might not do something with a lot of large pieces of fabric, but for working with pre-cuts, this is awesome. I'm really excited. Okay, so we have the tan color wave. There's big and little prints. There's kind of a good basic. There's even a little bit of yellow in there. Here comes our green. Yeah, we're struggling with this one. Our greens, and then we come into more of the dark green, kind of a dark teal. I'm going to call this like a dusty red because it's not really rosy. I mean, it is, but I think it leads towards the reds, but I think it is beautiful. And these are just different, really, really different than anything I've seen in a while. So this will be cool, and I have 2 of these to make into something. So whether I follow the pattern that came with this or something else, who knows? I might just add it to my stash for when I feel like doing something. But I'm super excited. I definitely got my value out of this. If you want to sign up for it, you can go to, here's their website again, fatquartershop.com. And I'm not going to put the link below. I might, if I can figure that out. I am so technology challenged, and those of you who have been watching me have probably figured that out. And I'm doing this all on my own, so if I can figure it out, you might see a link, but if not, go here. All right, thank you. You guys have a great day, and see you soon. Bye.